Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is my first time after I'm doing a proper vlog in Bombay. People think I'm crazy, but it's fine. Basically, I'm walking here because I have not worn specs, so I can't really figure out if they're watching me or no. But I've come back from college now, moving towards the train, which is actually I stay in Chambers, so I'm going that side. And I'm sorry for my badass vlogging skills because I'm sorry. Continuation of the first vlog. I'm out of college again, and today was a very bad day because I got marked absent for one lecture, though it was not my fault. I was attending a GD for collective catchphrase. Because of that, I was marked absent. So now I'm sad about it. Now I'm gonna go back home, so I'm gonna take you how I travel in trains because it's like really bad here. But Bombay is pretty safe, but so dirty. See, I walk like this, and then this where I walk is like this. So this is my fit over a nice spaghetti top, a cover up. That's a chain. So now I'm walking towards the people beside me. But do you think I can? No. But the weather is nice. That's why I'm vlogging like that. Otherwise, I usually just cover up. Now I'll tell you. Apparently, I had a GD for a collective. That's our BMM department, for a collective interview. But if I clear that, I get into that department. I don't know if I'm going to clear that. Pleasant. The weather is so pleasant. And I love to walk like this. People think I'm going to be crazy, but I say so I have to rush to that underground subway. From the subway, I basically take a train to go there. Bug बहुत करती हूँ मैं. I'm a big ass yapper. It was one of the iconic places in festival area where I attend my college. It's like really fun. Now I'm inside the subway. It was going to rain so bad, so I took the subway. I usually take the subway only because it's more easier to walk this side than crossing the whole road and coming that side. So now I'll take the train. It's really bad here. I'm sorry. This is the climbing stairs to This is the station. Now let me ask if that is the train or not. Because if that's the train, then I should run. This is usually my daily routine. I take a train from here to CST, from here to Chambers. It's like my daily routine. Very nice. Something no. Today I am going out of college. I'd come at actually 4 here to the college because I had this fitur, some acting thing. So apparently got into, but it's okay. It was nice. So I came back because I have to go see my mom. So now I'm traveling. That was my college. I'm going back from my college to the station. Do you spot the interview going there? I think they're shooting something, but I spotted it. So I'm going back home now because I said I want to leave early. That's why I'm leaving early. I'm sorry, you have to bear with me. I'm with my bad vlogging skills because I'm going back home. I'm gonna catch a train from CSMT to Chambers. Somebody just bumped into me to this place, okay? First I was thinking कि मैं कॉल से SIP का काम कर लूँ, but then it was shut and I didn't have any clue about it. So I went to the Fitur thing and there they made us do some exercise. So basically my half vlogging skills, if I would actually vlog in this way, would be actually this. But because people can actually see what you're doing, it's kind of embarrassing. But I had this hope that I can do well. But right now, I'm heading back. I'm going to remove my college ID because I want people to know that I'm from this college. There was people staring at me. So I took a chocolava cake. This is $70. Packed it and I took it because I had to. And this is my fit for 4 o'clock wala class. Because apparently, I was wearing something else in the morning and then I decided to wear this because obviously Fitur I had to meet so many people. So I decided to wear this. Now I'm at the iconic place in Bombay. It's actually the station that most of the people travel. Path that I walk daily. In the morning, in the evening, जब भी कुछ काम होता है college का, I have to walk this lane because it's kind of obvious. So right now I'm at this place and it's kind of fun. Now I'm gonna take the subway. Do you see that main part? Sorry for my vlogging skills. That main thing is actually very famous because it's actually the main hub. There's so many people take pictures and they go. So now I'm gonna head back to the subway. I'm gonna catch a train. I'm gonna go back home and that's all. Now I'm actually crossing the stairs. So right now I'm going. अभी ही पसीना आ गया. Now I have to catch a train. I can't really see, so I have to figure out. So there's a mishap that has happened. So this train is going to Panvel, but apparently I can't take this train because it's too full and that's the Bandra train. By the way, from the canteen I got this so that and I wanted to munch, but apparently I didn't get it. So I got this. So I got a news. There's a Vashi train. So I'm gonna get in that train because I'm going to the same stop where I go. People here stare bad, but then I'm the vlogging master. I'm doing this just for you guys, so you should better subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna get more Xavier's vlogs. I'm gonna upload how I also got into Xavier's. I got the train, but apparently right now it was so crowded. I had to jump on the train. I know it's risky. That's why I'm giving you a warning. Do not do this. I do this on my own risk. So right now I'm sitting. So I will, after some time, after the station, I'm gonna cover up myself. I'm gonna wear a jacket. I'm gonna wear a dupatta, and I'm gonna leave. Also on the train, we have so many people coming. It's very crowded. But then you have to do all these things. So, and also while I was climbing, I broke my chata ka this. And my mom is gonna kill me because every time I broke one chata. See, you have to adjust like that. This woman told me to shift, so now I shifted. Now that, now I can't vlog like full ass, right? So, yeah. Also I got chupalawa, so that's chupalawa. My vlog is about going back and coming back from a train. That's the only thing I made. And I feel bad about it. I will show you. Dheere dheere I will try to open up and try to show my freaking college. So that, my vlog is just not about trains and something more unique. We reached home. Now I'm having salad. And I hope you liked the video. It was how I travel back and down. It's a joint of different videos that I've shot. And if you want to see college vlogs, let me know in the comment section. I'll try shooting that also. I hope you liked it. Bye.